Hi there, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and CLA 250 badging, trunk, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 24,479, and we have a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, and backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter. Climate control. And center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.